making delicious sour cream cookie bars.
It sounds gross. Sour cream cookie bars?
Wait, today we're making sugar cookie bars. I just have a thing about bars in general. I just like making bars, lunch lady bars. Anything I can make into a bar. I don't want to make sugar cookies, I want to make sugar cookie bars, which is what we're doing today. I think this is going to be a 1 bowl recipe, which is super convenient.
That's so convenient for me.
So convenient.
Not convenient for you, convenient for me.
I do these dishes.
Do you?
Yeah, I always do the dishes.
Always? Sour cream sugar cookie bars.
Why is that gross?
Sour cream?
Yeah. Sour cream is delicious. Ethan just eating a rotisserie chicken. First step, we're gonna cream our butter and sugar. Butter, sugar. Whoa, that's a lot of sugar. Let's cream these together. This butter's softened, by the way. Hi, just a little note from me from the future. Add in your sour cream now, just mix it in real good before adding the rest of the ingredients, which is like the eggs. I forgot to and had to start all over. The title character of this recipe is sour cream. How could I forget it? So don't forget that. 1 egg, a little vanilla. Just a quick little mix, you don't need to mix it too much. Baking powder, baking soda, salt, flour. Whoa. And we're just gonna give it a little mix. Don't overmix. I always say it, but it's important. A bit of a mess. All right, so I think this is 11 by 18.
Does it say? Do we need to get the ruler?
No. This is a 12 by 17 inch pan. Right a little bit.
It's not what I was expecting it to sound like.
So yeah, it's more of like a cakey batter. We're just gonna spread this to the edges. There we go. Here's our cookie base layer. 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay. And now while that's cooking, we're gonna make our frosting, and I'm just gonna do it in the same bowl. Rinse this out, less dishes. Okay, the frosting's super simple. Butter, powdered sugar, a little bit of milk. Now, most people put vanilla in their buttercream. I actually leave it out. I think adding vanilla, unless it's clear vanilla, gives it a weird color, especially if you're not dyeing this any specific cute color. Do it.
Babe.
Oh my gosh. This
just no.
So we'll just set it aside for when it's needed. Woohoo! It is done. I would do it for 5 minutes less. I think I overbaked it just a tad bit. So we just want to let this cool for an hour. I'm gonna put it in the freezer if I can find room and only cool it for like 30 minutes, but we're gonna let this cool completely and then we'll frost it. Then we'll be done. Yay. Corners.
Mayonnaise.
Ew.
What is this again?
Buttercream.
Giant sugar
It's
cookie.
a giant sugar cookie.
Where'd that corner go? It just fell off in the oven.
It just like fell off. Okay, ready for the fun part?
Yeah. Sprinkle town.
Whoa.
That's a cookie.